In a market that never sleeps, information is power. But what if that information could be delivered faster, smarter, and with more accuracy than ever before? The future isn't coming, it's here. Artificial intelligence is quietly taking over how we understand the crypto market. Are you prepared? Imagine having a crypto news feed that's not just fast, but eerily accurate. One that cuts through the FUD, the hype, and the noise to give you the signal. That's the promise of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into one of the most significant and underreported shifts in the entire digital asset space: AI's impact on crypto news dissemination. For years, investing in crypto has felt like trying to drink from a fire hose of information. You're constantly scrolling through Twitter, refreshing CoinDesk, and trying to figure out which expert actually knows what they're talking about. It's exhausting, and a single piece of bad information can be catastrophic for your portfolio. But that entire landscape is being rewritten by algorithms. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how AI is generating news, how it's being used to analyze market sentiment with terrifying precision, and how this new technology is creating a powerful new edge for investors who know how to use it. But we'll also cover the dark side, the rise of AI-generated misinformation, and the hidden biases that could lead you astray. Make sure you stick around to the very end, because I'll be sharing actionable tips on how you can leverage these AI tools in your own crypto research without falling for the pitfalls. This is a topic that will define the next wave of successful crypto investing, so you don't want to miss it. The world of cryptocurrency operates at breakneck speed. Fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye, often fueled by the rapid and sometimes volatile flow of information. For anyone investing in crypto, staying informed is not just a preference, it's a necessity for survival in this digital frontier. Traditionally, this meant sifting through countless articles, social media feeds, and expert opinions, a time-consuming and often overwhelming process. However, a silent revolution is underway, one driven by the relentless advancement of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It is actively reshaping the very fabric of how crypto news is generated, disseminated, and consumed. Before we dive into AI's influence, let's take a moment to appreciate the traditional and flawed methods of crypto news dissemination. For years, investors relied on a combination of sources: established financial news outlets gradually incorporating crypto coverage, dedicated crypto news websites and blogs, social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit buzzing with real-time updates and often unfiltered opinions, and the pronouncements of industry influencers and thought leaders. While these sources played a vital role, they were not without their limitations. The sheer volume of information could be overwhelming, making it difficult to discern credible news from speculation and outright misinformation. The speed of the crypto market often outpaced the ability of traditional journalistic processes to verify and report information accurately. A story could be obsolete by the time it was published. Furthermore, the inherent biases of individual journalists and news outlets could influence the narrative, potentially leading investors astray. And let's be honest, social media, while offering real-time updates, also was a breeding ground for scams, rumors, and manipulated information, making it a risky primary source for critical investment decisions. Enter artificial intelligence, a technological force with the potential to address many of these shortcomings. AI, in its various forms, is being deployed across the spectrum of crypto news, from content creation to analysis and distribution. Machine learning algorithms can now process vast amounts of crypto market data at speeds that are humanly impossible, identifying patterns, trends, and anomalies in crypto news that might otherwise go unnoticed. One of the most significant applications of AI lies in the automation of news generation. Using natural language processing, or NLP, AI algorithms can analyze financial reports, press releases, blockchain data, and social media sentiment to generate news articles and summaries almost instantaneously. While still in its early stages for complex narratives, this capability can significantly accelerate the speed at which news reaches investors, particularly for routine market updates and data-driven reports. Imagine an AI that can automatically write a concise summary of every significant transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain, or every governance proposal on Ethereum, providing instant insights into market activity. This isn't science fiction. Companies are building these tools right now. Beyond speed, AI also offers the promise of enhanced accuracy and reduced bias in news dissemination. By analyzing massive crypto market datasets and identifying inconsistencies or anomalies, AI can potentially flag dubious information and help fact-check claims circulating within the cryptosphere. Algorithms can be trained to identify and filter out biased language or sensationalized clickbait headlines, presenting a more objective view of market events. This is particularly crucial in a market prone to hype and fear-driven trading decisions, helping to separate genuine market signals from the noise. Furthermore, AI can personalize news feeds based on your individual user preferences and investment portfolios. Instead of being bombarded with irrelevant information about 1,000 different altcoins, you can receive tailored news updates that are directly relevant to your holdings and interests. An AI can learn that you're interested in DeFi protocols on the Avalanche network and filter out everything else, significantly improving the efficiency of your information consumption. This allows you, the investor, to focus on the news that truly matters to your investment strategies. The impact of AI extends beyond just reporting the news. It's transforming how crypto data is analyzed and interpreted. This is where things get really interesting for traders and long-term investors alike. AI algorithms can sift through massive amounts of historical price data, trading volumes, and complex on-chain metrics to identify potential AI trading signals and predict future market movements. Platforms are emerging that use machine learning to detect patterns like whale accumulation or exchange outflow spikes before they become obvious to the average retail investor. While not infallible, these AI-powered analytics tools can provide a valuable edge and help in making more informed decisions. Market sentiment analysis, powered by AI, is another game-changing application. By analyzing millions of social media posts, news articles, and online forums in real time, AI can gauge the overall market sentiment towards specific cryptocurrencies or the broader crypto market. Is the chatter around Cardano turning bullish? Is there a sudden spike in fearful language related to a new stablecoin regulation? This information can be invaluable for understanding the prevailing mood and potential shifts in investor behavior, acting as a powerful supplement to traditional technical and fundamental analysis. However, we have to be realistic. Despite the immense potential, the integration of AI into crypto news dissemination is not a utopia. It comes with serious challenges and ethical considerations. One primary concern revolves around the potential for the spread of sophisticated AI-generated misinformation or deepfake news. As AI models become more advanced, it may become increasingly difficult to distinguish between human-authored and AI-generated content. This raises the terrifying risk of malicious actors using AI to spread false narratives, like a fake partnership announcement or a fabricated security breach to manipulate market prices and profit from the chaos. Another major concern relates to algorithmic bias. The accuracy and objectivity of AI-driven news depends heavily on the data it is trained on. If that training data contains inherent biases, for example, if it's trained primarily on news from a handful of Western countries or from sources that are historically bullish on Bitcoin, the AI algorithms may perpetuate or even amplify these biases in their reporting and analysis. This could lead to a skewed view of the market and create blind spots for investors who rely too heavily on these tools. Furthermore, the increasing reliance on AI in news dissemination raises questions about transparency and accountability. How do we ensure that these complex, black box AI algorithms are operating ethically and providing unbiased information? Who is responsible when an AI-generated news report contains a critical error that contributes to millions of dollars in financial losses? These are complex questions that our society and regulators are only just beginning to grapple with. So does this mean human journalists are obsolete? Absolutely not. The rise of AI in crypto news doesn't signal the demise of human journalists. It signals an evolution in their role. As AI takes over routine data analysis and report generation, human journalists can focus on what they do best: in-depth investigative reporting, critical analysis, interviewing key figures in the space, and providing the crucial context that algorithms often miss. Their expertise in understanding the nuances of the crypto market and telling the human story behind the technology will become even more valuable. The future of crypto news dissemination likely involves a symbiotic relationship between AI and human journalists, where AI tools augment human capabilities, enabling faster, more accurate, and more personalized news delivery, while humans provide the final layer of verification, context, and ethical oversight. Looking ahead, the landscape of how we consume crypto news will change dramatically. Personalized, AI-powered news aggregators will likely become the norm, curating information based on our individual needs and risk profiles. AI-powered chatbots on exchanges and information platforms could provide instant answers to complex crypto-related queries, offering personalized insights based on real-time data. We will undoubtedly see the emergence of more sophisticated AI-driven analytics platforms that provide investors with ever deeper insights into market trends and potential opportunities. However, it will be absolutely crucial for all of us to remain critical consumers of information, even when it is delivered by a seemingly objective AI algorithm. Understanding the limitations and potential biases of any AI tool you use will be an essential skill for navigating this evolving landscape. So, to wrap it all up, artificial intelligence is undeniably transforming the way crypto news is delivered and consumed. It's offering a level of speed, accuracy, and personalization we've never seen before. For you, the investor, understanding and adapting to this technological shift is paramount. This isn't a fad, it's a fundamental change in the information economy of the crypto market. The key takeaway here is that AI is an incredibly powerful tool, but it's not a magic oracle. It's a force multiplier for your own research and due diligence, not a replacement for it. By embracing AI-powered tools responsibly, using them to filter noise and generate insights, while remaining vigilant about the potential for bias and misinformation, you can gain a significant advantage in navigating the dynamic and often unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. The future of successful crypto investing won't be about man versus machine, but man with machine. The revolution is already here, and those who understand its implications will be the ones best positioned to thrive in the evolving landscape of digital finance. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the most exciting or the most terrifying part of AI's growing role in the crypto space? Have you used any AI-powered tools for your own research? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. I do my best to read and respond to all of them. If you found this breakdown on AI and crypto helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve in the world of finance and technology, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And while you're at it, check out our other videos. We have one where we break down the top AI-related crypto projects to watch, which is the perfect next step to take your knowledge even deeper. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp and invest wisely.